Welcome to our channel. In this video, let us know the static GK of Tirupura. Tirupura is a state in northeastern India. Tirupura is one among the 7 sister states. Capital of Tirupura is Agartala. The ancient name of Tirupura is Kiratdesh. The name Tirupura is derived from the Tibara tribe. The date of formation of Tirupura is 21st January 1972. Previously, Tirupura is an union territory from November 1, 1956. Tirupura is the third smallest state in the country behind Goa and Sikkim. Tirupura has 8 number of districts. The size of Tirupura is 10,491 square kilometer and the population is nearly 36 lakhs. The population density is 350% per square kilometer. Tripura that has an international boundary in 3 of its sides with Bangladesh. And the state boundaries are Manipur and Mizoram. Tripura is connected to east of India through NH8. The Chief Minister of Tripura is Biplab Kumar Deb and the Governor is Ramesh Bais. Currently, BJP is the ruling party in Tirupura. The state symbols of Tirupura. The state animal is Pyre Lankur. The state bird is green imperial pigeon. The state tree is agar. Nageshwar is the state flower. Queen pineapple is the state fruit. The international gymnastic female player Deepa Karmekar is from Agartala, Tirupura. The highest point in Tirupura is Beta Longship. According to 2011 census, Tirupura is one of the most literate states in India with 87.75% of literacy rate. The dams in Tirupura is Gamuti Dam. Tirupura ranks second in production of rubber after Kerala. Tourism in Tirupura. Ujjayanda Palace is a famous palace in Tirupura. Nirmahal Temple, Sadarash Devta Temple. These are few of the places that are famous for tourism. The name of the state is linked to Hindu goddess of beauty, Tirupura Sundari. The power plants is Palantana Power Plant, Baramura Gas Thermal Power Station, Rokia Gas Thermal Power Station and Gamuti Hydroelectric Project. For transport, Tirupura has only one airport, that is Maharaja Bir Bakram Airport. This airport is also known as Agartala Airport. The famous festivals that held in Tirupura are Karachi Puja, Durga Puja, Ganga Puja, Jar and Garya Puja. Bihu dance, Riyang dance, Goria dance, Jhum dance, Mamita dance, Hajari dance. These are few of the dance forms from Tirupura. Tirupura has 4 wildlife sanctuaries, that is Gamuti Wildlife Sanctuary, Rava Wildlife Sanctuary, Sapahilchala Wildlife Sanctuary and Trishna Wildlife Sanctuary. Tirupura state has only 2 national parks, that is Clouded Leopard National Park and Rajbari National Park. The major crops that the peoples of Tirupura they are depends on rice, wheat, sugarcane, potato. Sumai music, Sarinta music are performed there in Tirupura. Tirupura is famous for arts and crafts, bamboo mats, panwangvom, and the garments like Risha, Ringani, and Rikattu is famous in Tirupura. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos, please subscribe to the channel.